In this assessment, we're asked to give an approximate bond dissociation energy for the indicated bonds. We're only going to work A. What this is really helping us understand is how we can use the bond dissociation energy table and apply it to different molecules that aren't exactly present in the table itself. And so for the bond here that is indicated as A, what we have to look for is what's the best bond in the bond dissociation energy table. You'll note that that carbon is a secondary carbon, so we're looking at a secondary CH bond. And quick inspection around it tells us that there's nothing nearby that could stabilize a radical on that carbon by resonance or really in any other way. And so the best bond from the bond dissociation energy table is going to be that simple secondary CH bond, which has a bond dissociation energy of 95 kilocalories per mole.